Hi everyone, welcome to my 12 Days of Kandi challenge. Today is day 10, and today was probably the most challenging challenge for me, and that was the Christmas tree. And the reason why it was so challenging was because I wanted to make a small Christmas tree. The original plan was to make like a 3D type of Christmas tree, but I wanted a little ornament that I could hang off the tree, something that I could make quickly. And so I was experimenting with some flatter Christmas tree shapes, and it took a lot of trial and error. It took me several hours to kind of work through my different designs and come up with a final product that I like. And yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna post all of that just because that would be a very long video. But I do want to explain what happened. So this is the first tree, and this was my base. Like this was supposed to be the the wood, the base of the tree, and that yellow right there, that was going to be the star. But as I was building, something happened, and it just kind of flipped on me, and then this became the bottom and that became the top. And I was looking at it, and I wasn't happy with it. The shape of it kind of reminds me of like a penguin or a spaceship or something, and it wasn't screaming Christmas tree. So this one's a fail, and this one's gonna get cut up and returned back in the box. This is failure number 2. I was trying to do a right angle weave, something kind of flat and small, and this one just fell flat. It's not symmetrical on both sides, and this one doesn't make me happy, so that's getting cut up. The third tree that I made, I decided I was going to go more simple. Just instead of trying to try to build with the right angle weave, I wanted to. I was thinking, okay, let's use less beads. Like let's make this smaller, you know. So I was okay. Originally, this was supposed to be the top. That was the star that went on the tree. But again, things got flipped around, and now that is the base, and that became the top. And at first glance, this looks pretty good. This looks pretty cute. But the issue with this, though, is that this middle part is very, very weak. And if I move it around or bump it slightly, even just like that, it loses its shape. Even if I keep the tension of the string, that part is just too weak. And yeah, so it just starts flopping, and it has no Christmas tree shape, and I had to redo this one. But I liked where I was going with this. So this was the foundation for my next tree, which is this. So this time, instead of working like this way, I started working this way. And I like how it turned out. This is pretty much the same build as the other one, but I oriented the beads differently, and this one has more structure. And I think this one came out pretty cute. But I wanted to see if I could do a different shape, and so I also made this one. So this one is like a shorter tree, and I thought this was really cute too, except it was too short. And I was thinking, what if I am able to combine this and like the top of that, right? So I was like, let me try to combine these two right here. So this is the last one that I made, and this combines that short stubby tree with the top. And this This one has good structure. These beads are pretty solid. They're not going to move around. I added some color beads here and there just to see what that would look like. But I am very, very happy with how this came out. I could definitely see someone wearing this as like a cute little single, or even just giving these out as like a little token. So I think this is really cute. I also think these two are also okay. These are also okay. They're pretty cute too. But I like how this one turned out. If you are interested in a tutorial for these, let me know and I'll post that up. Thanks for watching.